Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is communication context. What do you know about communication context? Human interaction does not exist in a vacuum. It operates within a certain context. Communication context pertains to the personal, physical, social, psychological, and cultural circumstances, among the others, in which communication occurs. It influences the expectation from the participants and the meaning derived from the exchange of utterance, and the subsequent actions in communication. And here are the 5 types of communication context.
The first one is the personal context. It involves the background of both the sender and the receiver of the message. It includes their education, religion, socioeconomic status, marital status, and beliefs that greatly influence what and how they communicate. It is important that there is awareness of this kind of information so misunderstanding can be avoided and respect can be maintained.
The second one is physical context. It pertains to the environment where communication takes place. It involves tangible factors which can be easily perceived by the senses, such as temperature, humidity, odor, lighting, and noise level. For example, people conversing about a formal matter in a very humid location may feel uncomfortable and thus might not be able to concentrate. Further, the physical context includes proximity, how far or close a participant are to each other, as well as the medium used in sending the message. Over the years, most of communication occurs in virtual environment, example, email, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, etc., consequently influencing the way messages are sent, received, and perceived. The third one is social context. Refers to the kind of relationship that exists between the sender and the receiver. For example, the way you talk to your parents differs from you talk to your friends and others. Ideally, you easily communicate with people who are closer to you and such. You easily gain respect and understanding.
And the fourth one is psychological context. This includes the emotions, the feelings of the participants in the communication process. It involves their opinions, judgment, prejudice, attitude, and perceptions towards each other, which can play part in the transmission of message. For example, a broken-hearted person who is emotionally unstable may not readily receive your message well. Hence, it is important to recognize one's mood or overall emotional condition in communication.
So the last and the 5th context is cultural context. It is one of the vital considerations in communication. It includes sets of belief, value system, guiding principle, and assumption based on one's race, ethnicity, age, gender, sexual orientation, and religion within which communication happens. The content is what is said, and the delivery is how it is said, varying from one culture to another. For example, do not offer dinuguan in Tagalog to a Muslim because it is prohibited food haram, which is explicitly indicated in the Quran.
That's it. Those are the 5 communication contexts. Remember, as a communicator, we must familiarize the 5 types of communication context so that we can have an effective communication. Good day, everyone, and thanks for watching this video.